Welcome to Vegan Method. In this video I'm making a super quick and tasty asparagus soup. To make the soup you need 1 cup of vegetable stock, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 white onion, a knob of butter, roughly 25 grams, and a bunch of asparagus. First thing we're going to do is get the onions and chop them into thin slices, and we're going to put that and the garlic into a pan to soften. Keep the pan nice and low so it doesn't burn the onion and garlic. The next thing to do is get the asparagus and take off the woody ends, so the only thing we've got are tips and a bit of the stem. Now the onion and garlic is nice and soft and it's caramelized, I'm going to add the asparagus to the pan and stir it round. We're just going to keep doing this for like 5 minutes, and again on a medium heat. We don't want it too high, but it will make the asparagus nice and soft too, and it's all good and ready to go into the blender. So I've added a little bit of salt and pepper. You can add more later depending on your taste, and I'm now going to add the butter in, which will give the creamy taste to the soup. All the ingredients are nicely cooked. I'm just going to add the vegetable stock, bring it to the boil, and then take it off the heat, and the soup is ready to go and be blended and served. I'm serving immediately from the blender. It's still hot, and I'm going to add a little bit more salt and pepper as mentioned before. This soup is really easy to make, it's delicious and healthy, and I hope you enjoy it. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe, or leave comments below.